I'm Araha, sales professional at Stockland, Newport. With so much activity over the last few months, we're excited to give an update on our final precinct, Pier North. Let's go check it out. We're making great progress with bulk earthworks now underway on the final 2 stages of Newport. Over the coming months, we'll be placing and compacting approximately 30,000 cubic metres of material, laying the foundation for future home sites, roadways, civil services and beautifully landscaped parks. Let me show you the future site of Peninsula Park, where you'll be able to enjoy leisurely strolls and take in the breathtaking views across the bay and towards the Glasshouse Mountains. With only a few bay view and canal lots remaining, give us a call today on 1300 619 605 or visit us here at the Stockland Sales and Information Centre.